Here we're gonna use a transom springline to turn over the boat for 180 degrees. So we have set up of a bow line and a transom springline. So we are removing the bow line, going forward with the engine and helm to the left. So helm goes opposite where you want to go. Make sure you have a fender or a corner on the stern, since this is a critical point to hit the dock. Once you pass that, you're clear. Keep the engine forward all the time and keep the helm to the port or left all the time. So by that moment, you're gonna keep the boat move parallel. And with the engine forward, you're gonna keep the tension on a stern line all the time. So this can be done in winds, I would say up to 10 knots of wind sideways on this size of a boat. You can use it single-handed. And it's very helpful since you have a lot of time to remove the fenders and put them on the other side. And also in some tight marinas where you can use this up to 90 degrees to turn the boat. Soon we're going to touch the dock, so keep the engine engaged forward, helm to the port. You can see the pro Porsche on the side of the boat, so this is now pushing us to the wall. Keep it engaged until you have lines, other lines attached to the dock. So in this case, we are attaching middle line first, and after that we have control over the boat. As soon as we have control over our boat, we can also put the engine neutral, and we are safe on the place.